When transitioning from a brioche knit to a brioche purl round, you'll end with a yarn over, leaving the A yarn in back. It may flop out of place, but you can put it back later. Then you'll pick up the yarn in front. With yarn in front, slip 2 stitches purlwise. Yarn over, returning the yarn to the front. Insert the needle into the next stitch and under the yarn over. Purl, leaving the yarn over on the needle. Insert the needle into the next stitch and under the yarn over. Purl. Remove both the purl and the yarn over from the holding needle. When you come to the end of the round, you may find that the A yarn has flopped out of place. Just lift it up and back over the holding needle and work your brioche purl stitches as usual, releasing the B yarn to the front and picking up the A yarn in back.